curious how we push people away and how to actually change that and take your relationship from friends with benefits or just dating to the next level? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I'm a law of attraction coach, and today we're talking about how we push people away and what we can do to have the person that we're dating, whether it be a friends with benefits situation or just a dating situation, how we can get them to commit and stop pushing them away. Okay, so if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below, because me and Jerry do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. That's the intention I put behind every single video. So we're talking about pushing people away and how we push people away. So how we push people away is with our intentions and our thoughts, okay? And so it's easier to explain this in an example, okay? So let's say Jerry, my boyfriend here, we're just dating, and I would like to move in with him. And he says, well, I'm not ready for a commitment yet. I've had a bad relationship in the past, and I'm not sure if I want to live with you. And I'm holding the thought that Jerry, and obviously he says that because I'm holding the thought that Jerry's got baggage, okay? And he doesn't want to live with me. Now, when I'm holding that thought, okay, and then I go up and I'm sitting around with Jerry at dinner and I'm like, Jerry, I was thinking, it's been about a year. Why don't you want to be in a commitment with me? And he's like, stop it. You're just pushing me away. You're pushing me away. I'm like, how am I pushing you away? I just want to know why you don't want to be with me. Stop it. I'm sick of having this conversation with you. That's it. I'm blocking you on YouTube or on all the social media. And he runs off, okay? Now, how we push people away is when we hold the intention, the thought, the story that he doesn't want to be with us, and then we verbally attempt to convince them to be with us, okay? That pushes people away every single time, because I'll tell you what, your intentions are always going to win. So if I'm holding the intention in the story that he doesn't want to be with me, I'm automatically transmitting that Jerry doesn't want to be with me and doesn't want to be in a committed relationship. And then when I verbally push for it, he's like, you know what? I'm picking up these vibes that you don't want me to be with you and to like you, so you're pushing me away now. Okay? So how we can get around this and how you can actually create them wanting to commit to you is by changing your inner world. Because when we go out and we look in the mirror, and it's basically when we push people away, it's like we look in a mirror and we're trying to comb our hair and put on our makeup in the mirror rather than actually combing our own hair and putting on our own makeup, right? So we can't change the world outside of us. We have to change the world inside of us first before the world outside of us will change. So how that would look is, instead of holding the story that Jerry has baggage and doesn't want to be in a committed relationship with me, what that looks like now is me changing that story to Jerry's already dealt with his baggage. Jerry does want to be with me, and Jerry's going to ask me to move in with him. Now, once I change that story in my head, I no longer have a need to have the conversation with Jerry about why he doesn't want to be in a committed relationship with me, right? Because I'm no longer holding the story that he doesn't want to be with me. And then I just intend that he's going to ask me to move in with him, okay? Because I've changed my inner world, okay? I'm like, yeah, Jerry's dealt with his baggage. He's ready to ask me to move in with him, and he totally wants to be with me. That is automatically going to make Jerry want to be with me, ask me to be his girlfriend, and ask me to move in with him. Okay, so that's how we push people away. We push people away with the intentions or the story that we're holding about them. Okay, so if you're with somebody in a relationship and it's just a friends with benefits situation, okay, and you're holding the story that they don't want anything other than this friends with benefits and they don't want to be with you, and then you say, why don't you want to be with me? Why, are you ready for, to be in a committed relationship? That's only going to push them away because you're saying that verbally, but yet it's coming from the place and the story that they don't want to be with you. Your intentions are always going to win. Okay, so change your story and change the internal world, okay, that they do want to be with you, they do want to be in a commitment with you, and they are going to ask you to move in, or they are going to say, let's take this to the next level and be in a committed relationship, be my boyfriend, be my girlfriend. Change your story in your head, and then that'll change them. Okay, so that's my video for today. That's how we push people away, and that's how we stop pushing people away and get past that little bit to take our relationship to the next level. We like to thank you so much, we meaning me and Jerry, for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You guys are amazing, and sharing these videos. This channel's growing so much, and I owe it all to everybody, to all you guys. So thank you so very much. Until the next video, create something wonderful for yourselves, because you really do deserve it. Bye.